This is the newly announced DJI Neo, and these are the things that I love about this new drone by DJI. Number one is that this one is actually very, very light. As you can see right here, it's even just as big as my palm and even smaller than the DJI Spark. Napakagaan kahit na merong sensors, merong camera, at saka may propeller guards na naka-install sa kanya. Number two is that this one is very easy to control. You can control this using your smartphone, as you can see right here. Pwede rin gamitin yung DJI controller, pwede rin FPV controller, and you can even pair this up to their FPV goggles. Number three is that it is very nice for DJI to be able to allow na ikaw ay mag-connect ng DJI Mic 2 on your smartphone and then use the drone, record using the drone, and then capturing still the audio coming from the DJI Mic 2. Number four is that ang dami niyang mga quick shots available. No? One is there is helix mode, there's also drone mode, there's rocket, and those are just some of the quick shots available for this drone.